Thousands of revelers wearing white clothes and red scarves filled the streets of Spain's Pamplona on Wednesday, as the bang of a firecracker kicked off the first San Fermin bull running festival since the COVID-19 pandemic struck in 2020. Light rain did nothing to dampen the spirits of a sea of people packing the town square, their clothes already drenched with the red wine and sangria that flows freely during the 8-day festival, made famous in Ernest Hemingway's novel The Sun Also Rises. The annual event, which animal rights groups want banned for good, was cancelled in 2020 and 2021 due to the coronavirus restrictions.
After 2 years of pandemic, San Fermin, as you can see, is definitely back. We didn't know what to expect at the beginning of the year. I live here in Pamplona, and at the beginning we thought it was going to be more of a local thing, that people from Spain were going to come. But as you can see, it's pretty much the same as the other years, and I'm really excited about that.
I've been to San Fermin many times before, but this year it feels very different in that the people have missed the celebration. They're happy to be with their families. They're happy to be without a mask. They just want to be alive and enjoy the sunshine. It's very happy here.
I'm from Hawaii, and this is my first time in San Fermin after 2 years of the pandemic. It's great. We're glad to be back, and the energy is awesome. This is the greatest party, the greatest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
The runs, during which 6 purpose-bred fighting bulls chase runners through the Pamplona's narrow cobbled streets over a stretch of 800 meters, will start on Thursday and continue for a week. They are usually at their most dangerous over the weekend due to larger crowds. There are 8 runs in total, each usually lasting between 3 and 5 minutes, before ending at the city's bull ring, where the animals are corralled before reappearing in the evening bullfight when they are killed. Dozens of animal rights activists wearing dinosaur costumes protested on Tuesday in Pamplona, chanting bullfighting is prehistoric. But the risk is very real for human runners too. At least 16 runners have lost their lives down the year, the last casualty being a man gored by a bull in 2009.